Henny Penny is a restaurant equipment manufacturer. We have been in business since 1957. My job, I get to travel the world doing trade shows. We do about 45 trade shows a year. Prior to using Captello software, Henny Penny had a software provider where we had to use their devices. So we were limited on what we could do because we couldn't put the lead software on all of our employees' iPad or their phone. And we started relying on trade shows rental software. You usually are only getting a certain number of apps, so we didn't outfit our entire sales team. And so there was a disadvantage that you might be having to run to get the right device to be able to capture a lead in the booth. So with Captello, we're not charged per user, so if we have 35 people in the booth at a trade show, all 35 can have the app on their phone.
Captello has made my job so much easier. Everything from capturing leads on the show floor to assigning the leads afterwards and following up on all of them. We get so busy here, it's really hard to know the questions you want to ask until you need to know the answers, and they've always been very responsive and taking care of everything.
I wouldn't have wanted to pay a high price for 35 people to collect leads when maybe only 12 would be doing that, but with Captello we were able to just pay based on the number of shows we're doing annually. Every salesperson can have this information on their phone at all times, so we even have a show set up that's not really a show, it's general lead capture. So if one of our salespeople are in the airport and they run into somebody that has needs for their service, they can take the business card and scan it right there, and so they don't have to worry about holding on to those business cards.
Captello has all the tools they need to be successful, and they definitely don't take a one-size-fits-all approach, so they'll do everything they can to customize and tailor their software to meet your specific needs.
They had most everything set up exactly how we needed it, and then when we saw a few different needs that we wanted to add or change, they were able to make those changes very quickly, and so the first show that we implemented it, we were up and running.
Now they have access at their fingertips on their phone anytime, so after the show they can go in and modify any of the details on the leads, and during the follow-up process they have access right there on the app to go in and look at contact information or reference any of the leads. There's nothing that Captello could have done differently.
I would absolutely recommend Captello.